Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Roblox gift cards. It's important to clarify upfront that you cannot directly use a Roblox gift card on your PlayStation 5. Roblox is not available as a native application on the PlayStation platform, meaning there's no way to redeem the card directly through your PS5. These gift cards are specifically designed for purchasing Robux, the virtual currency, or a Roblox premium subscription, which are then used within the Roblox game itself. To properly redeem your Roblox gift card, you'll need to visit the official Roblox website on a computer or use the Roblox application on a mobile device. Once redeemed, the value is converted into Robux or a premium subscription, which is linked to your Roblox account. This means your Robux or subscription benefits will be available to you across any device where you log into your Roblox account, ensuring flexibility in how you enjoy your purchases. Roblox offers a wide range of supported platforms where you can enjoy the game. You can play on personal computers running Windows or Mac operating systems, and it's widely popular on mobile devices like iOS and Android smartphones and tablets. Additionally, Roblox is fully supported on Xbox consoles, including the Xbox One, Xbox Series X, and Xbox Series S. This broad compatibility allows millions of players to connect and create. So, if you have a Roblox gift card and a PlayStation 5, the best approach is to redeem your card on a computer or mobile device first. Your Robux or premium benefits will then be ready for use on any supported platform where you play Roblox, such as an Xbox console if you have one. Remember, your PlayStation 5 offers many fantastic gaming experiences, just not Roblox directly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.